Hi there, my name is Teacher Kim. What about you? What is your name? Collins? Oh, hi, Collins. It's nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you too. Okay. Collins, can you see me? Okay. Can you hear me? That's great. Okay, so Collins, are you ready to start our English class? Say, I am ready. Perfect. So our lesson for today is, can all birds fly? Collins, look at the picture. What can you see? I see animals. Can you say it again? I see animals. Okay, now Collins, what animals do you like? A dog? I like dogs too. What about tweet tweet? What animal can make that sound? Very good. It's a bird. What about meow? Okay, it's a cat. How about this one? What animal is this? Very good. It's a giraffe. What about this one? What animal is this? An elephant. Can you say it again? It's an elephant. Okay, very good. So how about this one? What animal is this? A tiger. Great job. And the last one, this is a monkey. Great job, Collins. Because of that, you have a star. Yay! Now, Collins, look at the picture. What do you see? Very good. A bird. Can you say it again? I see a bird. Okay, great job. Now, can you tell me what bird is it? A magpie. Very good. Let's say this is a magpie. Again, this is a magpie. Okay. Collins, how many magpies can you see in the picture? Let's count. One, two. How many magpies? There are two magpies. Okay, very good. There are many magpies. How many magpies do you see? Let's count. One, two, three, four. There are four magpies. Okay, very good, Collins. Great job. Can you say magpies are birds? Can you say it again? Magpies are birds. Okay, well done, Collins. Collins, can you help me click and find all the magpies? Okay, now let's find all the magpies. Is this a magpie, Collins? Okay, good. How about this one? Is this a magpie? Great job. How about this one? How about this one? Is this a magpie? Very good, Collins. How about this one? Is this a magpie? Oh, great. For that, I will give you a star. Great job, Collins. Collins, can you read this? Magpies are birds. Magpies are birds. Okay. Magpies can fly. Magpies can fly. Very good. Let us now move on to the next slide. What bird is it? Very good. A penguin. Okay. It's a penguin. Can you say this is a penguin? This is a penguin. Great job, Collins. You're fantastic. Now, Collins, how many penguins do you see in the picture? Let's count. One, two. There are two penguins. Can you say it again? There are two penguins. Very good. Well done, Collins. Can you say penguins are birds? Penguins are birds. Okay. Oh no, the penguin lost its wings. Collins, can you help me find the correct penguin's wings? Great. Collins, is this the correct penguin's wing? No, it's not. How about this one? Okay, so how about this one? Is this the correct penguin's wing? Very good. This is the correct penguin's wing. Collins, can you read this? Penguins are birds. Say it again. Penguins are birds. Okay. Penguins are birds, but they cannot fly. Okay. Penguins cannot fly. Penguins cannot fly. Great job. Because of that, you have a star. Great job, Collins. Can you read this? Magpies are birds. Magpies are birds. Magpies can fly. Okay, very good. Penguins are birds. Penguins are birds. Okay. Penguins cannot fly. Penguins cannot fly. Penguins cannot fly. Great job! Now let's have an exercise. Collins, can you help me answer question in complete sentence? Okay. Can penguins fly? Collins, can penguins fly? Okay, you can say penguins can fly. Penguins can fly. Very good. You have a star. Okay, next. Are magpies birds? Are magpies birds? Okay, magpies are birds. Magpies are birds. Good job, Collins. You're so fantastic. Okay, Collins. To wrap up, magpies and penguins are birds. But the difference is magpies can fly, but penguins cannot fly. Do you have any question, Collins? None? That's end of our lesson today. Did you learn something with Teacher Kim? Great. Goodbye, Collins. See you next time. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.